Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Well, right here, this video right here, guys, is a long time coming. It has been a long time coming. When I first purchased the boat about 11 years ago, I had the idea to do some things to it. Never got around to doing it. And then I started this channel, and I've just been so busy with this channel, fishing all the time. And I finally, right now, have the opportunity to go ahead and do what I wanted to do. So right now I'm scheduled out to about the end of August, and it is right now it's July 29th, so it's the end of July. So I got to the end of August to get this done, and then I start making videos again, hopefully. Well, what we're doing, guys, is we're redoing the boat. We are redoing the dirty boat. Finally doing it. Alright guys, well this is where we're at right now. I didn't videotape it when I was taking all the hatches and everything down, because that's just kind of boring, but we got all the hatches off the boat. All the hatches are taken off. All through the boat. We went ahead and took all the water out of the live well. Did all that kind of stuff. And then Summer got in here with the shop vac. Started getting all the dirt and everything that's up here in the anchor locker. Got all that out. And cleaned out all these hatches. So now I got to get in here with a grinder, and I got to prep this whole thing. I'm gonna grind the entire boat, get it all prepped for gel coat. Then I'm gonna re-gel coat the whole boat, guys. So next time you see this boat after this video, it's gonna look completely different. No longer can you guys harp on me about having a dirty, disgusting boat. So as you can see, all the gel coat is just completely worn off for this whole boat everywhere. I mean, just all over the place. It's completely worn off. I got to rebuild a complete hatch there, which I've already got the Penske board cut out for it to replace. This is basically just like some fiberglass board. It's a lot better than using plywood. It's super strong. Once you put glass on it, it is awesome. So I got that cut out to replace that. I got some glass work to do on here as well. I got glass all this, fix that. I want to glass this up here. I want to get that all glassed in so it's one complete total piece. I got a couple dings over there I got to fix. But pretty much that's it, guys. So I got my work cut out for me, y'all. I'm gonna get to it, y'all. All right, guys, I'm ready for the next step. I'm gonna start grinding. I like to use a grinder rather than a DA when I'm prepping out fiberglass. It goes a lot quicker. And I like using these steel pads. This is a floppy disc. It's a 36 grit. It's made from metal. Man, it does short work on some fiberglass, but you got to be careful when you're using it that you don't hold it too much in one area, because you will go right through it. But you just dust over everything real quick with it. It'll get all the old glue and everything off. It'll get all the old gel coat off. It'll get it prepped up, the fiberglass prepped up for the gel coat. And I'll make it a quick work of it. But it is messy. It kicks up a lot of dust. So I'm not going to be wearing my camera when I do it. But as Summer said, she will film me from a distance. So we're going to get at it, guys, and start grinding. All that gel coat scuffed up. Well, guys, I got all the grinding done, most of it anyway. I got a little bit to do inside the bait wells and inside the little hatches up here. I got a little bit to do, but mostly all of it's done. Got the gunnel done, got the floor done, got the deck done, all the back stuff done. all where I got to do glass work's all done. And did it just in time too, because I got a bad storm coming. Took me about, I don't know, took about 2 hours, I guess. 2.5 hours to get it all done. Not too bad. All right, guys. Well, now today we got the boat all dry. It's dried out for a couple days. Now I'm gonna start doing some glass work. And we're gonna start off doing these little back pieces right here. Got to fix 2 on this side, 2 on that side. So I got some 1.5 ounce glass right here. Got 2 layers of it, so that's going to be 3 ounces of glass going over that. And we're just using 1.5 ounce pieces of matte material. I got my polyester resin right there. Got some of that in a little bowl here. We got our catalyst, our MEKP. We got a roller, and we got some gloves. So we're going to get to it, guys. We're going to glass these 2 little places up. I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some acetone and I'm going to clean the whole area. Get it nice and clean. So we have no contaminants, no dust. So we get a good, nice bond with the glass. All right, we'll let that dry real quick, which won't take long, maybe a minute or 2, and we'll get glassing. All right, well, we're gonna take some MEK and put a little bit in here. Just a little bit. That should be enough. Actually, put a little bit more in here. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that around. All right. Okay, we got our resin. We'll go ahead and we're going to take our paintbrush here and paint the area. Get some resin down those little holes right there. And we're going to go ahead and lay in a piece of glass. A piece of our 1.5 ounce. I'm just going to get it nice and wet. Like that. All right. Take another piece of our 1.5 ounce glass. Put it in there. Oh, there we go. Got it nice and wet. Now we're going to take our roller. We're just going to roll it out, guys. Roll all that air out of it. Get it nice and flat and even. Just like that. Super, super easy. So now I have 3.5 ounces of glass over that hole. Over those 4 little holes. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and repeat the same thing over here. Alright. Well, now we're going to glass in this hatch. What we're going to do is we're going to glass this in about like that. And I have a little hatch door that goes on top of here. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go ahead and wet out the area with my resin. Got the wind starting to pick up. We got a bad storm coming here. I already cleaned the whole area with acetone. Alright, now I'm going to wet out the back side of this Penske board. Like this. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and turn this over. Lay this just like that. And go ahead and wet out the Penske board. already got my glass pre-cut. Even got the hole cut out. So we'll just line everything up. All right, about like that. Okay, I'll wet this out. This is a 2-ounce glass material, 2-ounce mat, what we're using. What we're going to do is we're going to put 2 layers of 2-ounce mat on here. Make sure it's sitting right. Okay, both layers of 2-ounce is on, so now I'm just going to go ahead and roll it out. Just using my little barrel roller here. Good. Now I beveled the Penske so it'll be easier to roll down the edges because glass will not lay on a 90-degree angle. So get it all rolled in here like this. Get all that air out. Get it all nice and smooth. Alrighty, looking pretty good. Alrighty, y'all. Well, all the glass work's done. I got that glassed in. I got that glassed in. I put the Penske wood in and glassed all that in. And I glassed these 4 little spots, 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Get that all glassed in. So now tomorrow, weather permitting, I scuff everything up, sand it. I'll start gel coating the live well, the 2 fish boxes up front, and the anchor locker. I'll get those gel coated. That's my main goal for tomorrow. Then I'll start cleaning everything up, getting everything ready for gel coat and webbing. We're moving right along, guys. I think today is August 1st. Yeah, I'm sweating. I've been out here all day doing all this. It's hot out here. Got storms trying to come through here, so the humidity is through the roof. So, but hey, I got the glass work done. We're all well into the repair now. So hopefully the weather permits next couple of days. I'll get in here and do some gel coating, y'all. Hopefully. All right, Jetty Rockers. Well, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. We'll make it as a part 1. I'm gonna go ahead and break this into a 2-part series because once I started editing the video, it's gonna be well over 30 minutes. And I don't think anybody wants to watch a 30-minute long video of me grinding and gel coating and glassing a boat. So we're gonna break it off into 2 separate parts. And in this part, you know, we got the boat ready, we did the grinding, we did all the prep work, we even got the glassing done. So in the next part, we'll be doing some gel coating, we'll be fitting in some hatches, and we'll be getting the boat together. So I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me and watching me redo this boat, because I know it's been a long time coming. A lot of y'all have made comments through the years saying my boat's dirty, the hatches are always open. Well, we fixed all that in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys learn a little bit. It's not really a how-to video. It's just basically how I did it. But hopefully you guys get the gist of how to do everything. I didn't break it all down step by step. But I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. And until I get to see you guys on the water here soon, tight lines, Jetty Rockers, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And thank you so much for being a part of this channel, y'all. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.